Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we're going to learn why copying content directly from Microsoft Word to Paint sometimes doesn't work and how you can easily fix this problem. This error usually occurs because Word copies certain objects, such as grouped shapes, SmartArt, or complex designs, in a format that Paint cannot recognize or paste directly. So, let's get started. Here, I have created an invoice design in Microsoft Word, and I want to save it as an image. First, I'll right-click on the design and click Copy. Now, let's open Paint. After opening Paint, I'll press Ctrl+V to paste the design. As you can see, Paint displays the notification. The information on the clipboard can't be inserted into Paint. Let's try one more time. I'll copy the invoice again and paste it into Paint using Ctrl+V. As you can see, the same notification appears again. But don't worry. There is a simple solution. This time, instead of pressing Ctrl+V, press Windows+V on your keyboard. This opens the Clipboard History panel, which displays the recently copied items stored on your clipboard. Now, simply click on the copied image which you want from the clipboard history. As you can see, the invoice is inserted into Paint successfully. Using this method, you can bypass the clipboard error and paste your Word design into Paint without any problem. Now, let's save it as an image. First, reduce the zoom level so you can clearly see the entire design. You may notice some extra white space around the image, but we only want to save the invoice itself. Click on the Select tool and carefully select the area you want to keep. After that, click Crop. As you can see, only the required part of the image remains. Now, click File. Then Save As. Here, you'll see several image formats, such as PNG, JPEG, BMP, and GIF. Since we want a high-quality image with better clarity, we'll choose PNG. Next, select the location where you want to save the file. We select Desktop. Enter a name we entering Invoice. And click Save. Now, let's go to the desktop. As you can see, our invoice has been successfully saved as a PNG image, and it's now ready to use wherever we need it. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Microsoft Word and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.